Hello friends, my name is Nirbhay and I'm here to teach you Adobe Illustrator for fashion design. Hope you enjoy all my video. But before we could start, I would like to request you to kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can also get motivated to add more videos, as well as you can also get updated with the new tricks and tips. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. So in today's videos, I'm going to teach you how to make flat sketch of this shirt. So first thing you should do is to reduce the opacity of this image. So you'll see the opacity button over here. I'm going to reduce it by 50% or maybe 70%, and then I'm going to take the pen tool. Make sure that there is no fill and the outline color is in black or whatever color you want to choose. Always choose contrast color. I'll zoom it a little bit. I'll take the pen tool. I'll start from this point. To make the straight line you have to click, to make the curve line you have to click and drag slightly. I'm going to click and drag. I've clicked here and here and here. I'm going to make the stroke color into black so that I can see that the stroke color. And then click and drag, click and drag. And I'm going to make a curve in the bottom like this, a curve. Click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. At this point, straight line, straight line, straight line. And then I am going to end this line from where I have started, like this. Now once the outline is ready, the outer silhouette stroke is ready, we should start with the inner lines. So I am going to take the pen tool again, and I am going to change the stroke color again into black and with no fill. And I am going to start from this point. I'll make the armhole like this, and then I'll click on the last point and I'll click here. Same way on the other side, like this, and this. Then I'm going to do this area. I'm going to make the stroke black. Then again pen tool, this sleeve, like this. And then I'm going to make the collar area. I'll click here, 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 this small curve over here, and then this line ends like this, and then from here to here it is straight line. And then I'll make a curve for the front panel. Now I'll start from the other collar. Clicked here, 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 curve line, slight curve, curve, sorry, curve line, curve, curve line, and then straight line from here to here, and I'm going to end it slightly till here, and then straight line from here to here, a slight curve, and a curve, sorry, and a curve like this. I'll take the direct selection tool, I'll click on this last point and I'll drag it to attach on the previous line. Now I'll make the shoulder yoke. It starts from here till here, again with the pen tool, from here till here. Now I'll make the shoulder tab, click, click, and click, other shoulder tab, like this. Inner collar, there is a line over here, I'm going to make it like this, and then end it here. Same way other side, click, click, and drag. Collar band, from here to here, straight line, another collar band from here to here, inner yoke from here to here. Then we need to make the pocket, so I am going to take the pen tool, I'll click here, 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 and now I'm going to make the flap. I'm going to make the box pleat. I have taken a rectangle tool and I have drawn this box pleat on top of this. This and this pocket is same, so I think almost all the lines are ready. Now this time we are going to move the background image aside. So we have this silhouette ready. Now we need to add the stitch line. So as we know that we already have a line here, so we can just simply drag it and press Alt, and we need to make this into a stitch line. So you need to go to stroke and click on this dash line. So now what is happening, that the dash is bigger, the stitch line doesn't look like stitch line. So this black part is dash and this white areas are gap. So I'm going to reduce the dash and gap. So below this dash line in the stroke, you will find right now it is 12 point. I'm going to change this to 2 point, and then I'm going to make it in round cap, and then I'm going to reduce the stroke of the stitch line like this, and then I am going to attach this till the end. And as we know that there is a double needle stitch, so I am going to make a duplicate copy, drag it and press Alt. Same way we have a fold line in the inside area, so I'm going to make a solid line. So I've just taken the picker tool and I clicked on the outer line. I'll just drag it and keep it here, press Alt, and this line I'm going to take eyedropper tool and click on previous stitch line, so that this line will get same property as the stitch line, and I'm going to drag it like this. So this sleeve is ready. Same way on the other side, I am going to drag this line and keep it somewhere here at the same distance as we have in the left sleeve. I'm going to take the eyedropper and click on the previous stitch line, and then I'm going to take the direct selection tool and click on the end point and make it reach till the edge, and then again I'm going to make a copy, drag it and press alt, it will make a copy. Same for the hemline, inner hemline, we have a solid line like this, and then we have a copy, drag it, press alt, take the eyedropper tool, click on any previous stitch line, it will become stitch line, and with the help of direct selection tool I'm going to make it like this. Now same on the armhole, we have a stitch line. So to copy the armhole, as we know that we have a node here, from here to here we have a single node, so I'm just going to click on the single node, and then I'm going to copy it and paste it in the front. The shortcut is Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and then I'm using this right button in the keyboard and shifting it to the right. Now I'll take the eyedropper tool and I'll click on any available stitch line. Now if we want to have a double needle stitch, we can drag it and keep it aside it, and we can take the direct selection tool, and for this area you need to take the pen tool and draw it till the edge. Same way for the shoulder yoke, Ctrl C and Ctrl F will make a copy. I have used the up arrow key in the keyboard. I'm going to take the eyedropper tool and click on any previous line. Same way on this side, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, up arrow, and I'm going to take the eyedropper tool and click on any previous line. I have taken the direct selection tool and drag it like this. Same for the shoulder tab. I am going to make a copy like this, or we can simply draw the edge like this, and I'm going to change it to the stitch line, and we can add a button over here. So we can make a button somewhere on the screen like this, and then Ctrl C and Ctrl F to make a copy. I have reduced the copy size. I'll zoom it a little bit. Now I am going to reduce the size, and I am going to make another copy. Press shift, select it both and down. Our button is ready. I am going to group it. I am going to reduce the size and keep it on the tab. Same way on the other side, I am going to drag it and keep it. I am going to drag it and press alt, and then I'm going to take the pen tool and draw the edge lines, stitch line. I have taken the eyedropper tool and click on any other stitch line. So here what is happening, that these two lines got joined. So in this case what you have to do is you have to find path eraser tool. It is normally below pencil tool. You have to click it longer and you will get this path eraser tool. With the help of path eraser tool, I am going to disconnect it so that I will be able to select only this line plus this line, and I am going to change it to stitch line with the use of direct selection tool back to place. Same way for the bottom, I am going to copy this line, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and up arrow, and then I am going to change it to the stitch line, and I am going to use the path eraser tool and remove this area and this area. And for the front area, I have taken these two lines, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, moved up. With the help of eyedropper tool, I have clicked on any stitch line. Here we don't need these extra lines, so I'm going to take the path eraser tool and I'm going to delete, sorry, and I'm going to delete from this area to this area. Same way for here. This area is in close path, or even if it is not, you can simply just use the direct selection tool, click on the line, Control C and Control F. It will make a copy and move it on top. With the use of eyedropper tool, click on any stretch line, and because this layer is on top of the back layer, I am going to use the path eraser tool and erase the other lines like this area, yeah, like this. So this way, you need to create all the stretch line. I'm going to forward the video and then I'm going to show it to you how it looks when it is finished. So as you can see that our flat sketch is already almost ready. To fill the color, you can just click on the outline and then go to the fill color, or click on any color which is available in the swatch. So as you can see, your flat sketch is already ready. You can add your uh, accessories, emblem, label, main label, all these embroidery details and all those things if you want to add in your flat sketch. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, query, you can write in the comment box below, and I'll be getting back to you with the new videos. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks very much. Have a nice day.